Next we're just gonna remove the worn out brake pads. Now before that I just want to show you, maybe you can see here, M06, that's the caliper I'm using. Okay, first thing, we have a safety pin here. You can see it. Just throw it in the bowl. Next, screw this one out. Alright, then we're ready for pulling out the brake pads out of their bay here. Let's see, do it gently and it just goes out, as you see. Okay, that's a spring and that's the pad. Now you can see it's really worn out. Just for comparison, this is a new one. Okay, can you see the difference? I can see it. Okay, so you just take this out. As you can see, these two throw away. They're worn out. Alright, now what you can see here, these two discs, they look like discs. This one and this one, these are the pistons. When oil is being pushed through here, these pistons just go like that. Okay, so when you operate the lever, your brakes, it just pushes the the two brake pads, just pushes them together and holds the rotor. Okay, so let's go to the next step.